You've got your favorite leather piece in your hands, a leather bag or a jacket. Maybe it's starting to dry out, crack, or show somewhere, and you're wondering, what in the world do I do? Maybe you've just purchased some leather conditioner, or you're maybe thinking about it. But before you rub anything into your expensive boots, jacket, or bag, let's clear up 5 common myths that could be doing more harm than good, and stick around for some bonus myths that you may just be wondering about. Hey guys, my name is Evan, your leather expert with Leather Honey. I've spent years restoring everything from vintage boots to sneakers to high-end bags. If it's leather, I've probably done everything I could to try to save it. So let's talk about what really works. So there's a lot of advice out there, some helpful, some just flat out wrong. And without knowing the right things, it's easy to do more harm than good to your leather. Trust me, I have accidentally ruined so many different leather pieces to be standing in front of you guys today. And one of my very first ruined pieces has everything to do with myth number 1. Cooking oils are great for conditioning leather. Someone's grandma on the other side of the world once said that olive oil will nourish your leather. But the reality is that whether it's olive oil, canola, or sesame, cooking oils may soak in and even look decent at first, but long term they go rancid and make your leather stink. That leads to leather breakdown, discoloration, and a stench that you would be embarrassed if anyone smelled it. The truth? Use conditioners specifically designed for leather because they've stood the test of time and are literally crafted for your benefit. Myth number 2, conditioners always darken your leather. If you're worried that a conditioner is going to alter the color of your leather, don't worry. That's only true if you're using the wrong kind or too much. And maybe you're thinking, I don't want to ruin the color, but the reality is that not all conditioners darken leather. High quality wax-free formulas absorb deeply without the buildup, leaving your leather healthy and close to its original tone. Note that most leather will darken to a very small degree once conditioned, but will lighten up over time, and the drier your leather is, the higher the chances it will darken a shade or two simply because it's ready to be conditioned and accept some long-awaited nourishment. Myth number 3, once leather cracks, it's beyond saving. If you see cracks starting to form in your leather, don't panic. It's probably not beyond saving. It just needs a little love. So the reality is, while deep cracks can't be reversed, you can stop them from spreading. And when it comes to surface or minor cracks in your leather, a good conditioner may even make those disappear. The right conditioner brings back flexibility and helps prevent more damage down the road. Myth number 4, leather doesn't need to be conditioned if it looks fine or is brand new. Just because it looks good doesn't mean it's not drying out in places you can't see. And have you ever considered that new leather pieces that you buy, whether a bag or a pair of boots, can actually sit in a warehouse for months before it gets to you? Just because it's new doesn't mean 6 months haven't gone by until it's gotten to you. There's a difference. A great indicator is to run your fingers over your leather and feel if it's supple or smooth or dry and rough. Leather that's dry and rough is going to feel like there's lifted fibers that catch on your finger, while a well-conditioned leather is going to let your finger glide across it. Myth number 5, conditioning prevents all leather aging. Conditioning helps, but leather isn't immortal. The reality is that we can't stop time, but we can slow it down. Conditioning helps your leather age gracefully, resists cracking, and maintains its shape and strength. And if it's something that you use often, like a leather jacket or a pair of boots that's constantly bending or flexing, you definitely want to keep it supple with some high quality conditioner. And when I say high quality, I don't mean expensive. There's tons of affordable options out there, and we just want you to get the one that works best for you. So if your leather's looking dry, cracked, or just not how it used to feel, you're not doing anything wrong. You probably just haven't been given the right tools or know how to take care of it. And that's why we created Leather Honey. We've poured decades into getting our formulas right. Non-toxic, silicone-free, and safe for your hands, your home, our world, and of course the people and pets you love. Since 1968, we still make it the same way today. Why? Because it works, and we can back it up with more than 60,000 5-star reviews from Amazon. For anything from boots and bags to sofas and saddles, Leather Honey has your back. We believe in our product so much, we use it ourselves. And honestly, we've sacrificed a lot to keep it high quality, small batch, and family owned. And as a thank you guys for watching, here's a 20% off and free shipping discount code. It's only available for a limited time, so if your leather needs care now, it's a great time to jump in. And if it's not for you, we've taken the risk completely off your back by offering our 100% money back guarantee. But we're confident that you'll love it, so use this code today at leatherhoney.com. Alright, so let's look at a few more myths, but this time it's addressing common misuse about our products that you may have seen on the internet. Myth number 1, leather honey uses actual honey. Yes, it's called leather honey, but no, there's no honey in it. We checked. The name actually comes from the viscosity of our formula rather than the ingredients. It's thicker than other conditioners, but what's inside is a powerful, non-toxic formula designed to go deep and last up to 6 months before having to recondition your leather. Unlike other conditioners where you have to buy more products, spend more time, and apply more frequently. Myth number 2, leather honey conditioner leaves your leather sticky or oily. Now that may be the case for some of you if you didn't allow it to dry for 24 hours or you use too much. A proper conditioner may feel tacky at first, but once it absorbs and gets buffed, no residue, no shine, just soft, hydrated, flexible leather, just the way it should be. And if you're ready to give the care your leather deserves, you know where to find us. My name is Evan with Leather Honey. Drop your questions below and we're here to help. And remember, leather is forever with Leather Honey.